You guys be sure to stay tuned in to see how I got this look. Also, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button so you are notified whenever I put out a new video. You do not want to miss how I got this beautiful, glamorous look. So, here we go. I'm gonna get some primer to start off. The Hangover by Too Faced. I'm just gonna rub this in over my eyes. With my eyebrows, y'all. I just got my eyebrows done, so my eyebrows on fleek. The fuck? Hallelujah. I got my eyebrows done, y'all, because it was looking a little hairy. A lot hairy. And I'm just gonna brush this out. Okay, I'm gonna outline the other side. Out of sight, out of mind. If you're not mine, no need to hear your life. I'm going to do one eye so I can figure out what the heck I want to do, and then I will come back and show you guys how I did that eye by doing the other eye. In this way, I get to talk for some and I get to listen to my music, so we both win. Okay guys, so I finished with my right eye. And now to do the left. And look at my eyebrow, y'all. Woo, it's so fleek. And I only look weird right now because I'm not done doing the bottom, but I want to do my full face first. And then I'm going to go ahead and put makeup on the bottom of my eye. And then I'll put my eyelashes on. And we'll be good to go. All right, here we go with the other side. For my concealer, I'm just using the Old Caramel that I already have. And I'm just gonna use this for my brows. I don't understand how hard it is to talk and do makeup at the same time without messing this stuff up. Here we go. So now I'm just brushing it. Because I'm breezy over here, I'm trying to keep it cool. On the ground, you would never come around. Grinding daily, I can never slow it down. Called your name, wouldn't even turn around. Now I don't even say. Now I'm going with the top. And I'm just brushing it outwards. And you guys can get as close as you want. Just don't mess your eyebrow up. Then you gotta start again. And I also think I like doing it this way first too. Because we're going ahead and putting the concealer on and brushing it out. And then next, you know, we'll come in with the foundation and clean it up. We don't have to do it the other way around. Wrong brush. Mom trying to be cute. To start off, I wanted to go with purple color right here. Now I'm going in with the lighter concealer. And I'm just wiping this all on my eye. Just using my sponge. And just patting it on there. You guys can definitely see how much lighter this is. So now I'm going in with the purple. And this is the Single. That is the color, Single. And basically, I'm just kind of going in my crease, honestly. Y'all, I love these colors. Like, these colors are so pretty. Like, as basic as I am, I may just do like 2 colors at a time and then just call it a day. So honestly, when I first started doing my makeup, this is how I would do it. I would always start with like the same pink, and I would do the pink from about the inside to halfway, and then I would just do a darker color and just put it like out here and kind of rub it in a little bit. My makeup would still look really good, so, or at least at that time, it looked really good to me. That's all that matters. Not going too high, just going in. And then here, I do want to kind of come in a little bit at the bottom. And kind of really pat it on about right here. I feel like this eye is going to come out better than the other one. We're going in with the Skip is the color. And this color is so cute. As you guys know, pink is my favorite color. This pink color right here. Just gonna put this on at the top. And I'm just dabbing it on there. But we're not going to leave it like that. We are going to blend it out. So, taking my blending brush, and I'm just blending these two colors together. And if you guys don't really like the super hot pink, there's also a color that's called Love That, that's right above single. And it's like a mixture of the hot pink and this purple color. It's really cute. I kind of wanted to use it, but I don't think you'll be able to really see it if I put it in between these two colors. So I'm going to use some of this Maybelline New York Brow Drama. This is the deep brown. Just because I feel like this eyebrow looks kind of light. I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty. And I'm going this purplish side.
Play it cool, no need for attitude. Don't got no time, what you trying to prove? Keep it to yourself, don't follow through. Already told you, not in the mood. Always trying to start, I told you not to. You know from the time I've been.
And then I'm going to go in with the Artistry color. Yes, but it's like a purple shimmery color. And I'm patting that on. And I'm just going over that previous liquid eyeshadow that I just put on. And I basically put that on so this color would actually stick to my eye and you'd be able to see it. Because I know a lot of times working with the glittery eye colors, it's really hard to see the glitter. I'm going to go back with the single color. Remember, you guys, you gotta go back over your stuff so your colors don't fade away. So I'm going back with the purple, and I feel like I put enough pink on. And I'm blending. And I feel like this look is super simple, but it's still cute. I'm going with the other end, which is like the shimmery pink. And I don't know how well I like this. This is what it looks like. It looks like flaky, kind of. I don't know if you guys can kind of see on this eye, but it's really flaky. I'm going to go ahead and use it because I used it on the other side, but when it dries, it's super flaky. And I'm just barely putting it on in this corner of my eye, letting it dry up a little bit.
I'm not in the mood because I'm breezy over here. I'm trying to keep it cool. On the ground, you would never come around. Grinding daily,
Super messy. Using a blending brush to blend this in. I'm going back over the parts that got too much of that pink. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to find another brush to put this stuff on because the one that they provided is a no-go. It sucks. So, heads up, if you guys decide to get one of these, you may not want to use the brush that they give. It's just not really working out really well for me. Kind of messing up my whole look. But I'm gonna try it one more time. So here we go.
It's Gildon.
I'm not in the mood. I'm trying to play it cool. No need for attitude. Don't got no time. What you trying to prove? Keep it to yourself. Don't follow through. Already told you. Not in the mood. Always trying to start. I told you not to. You know.
Okay, let's see. Let me see if I can find something else to see if I can fix this. So I have this brush. And we will try this and see if this works.
Wasting daylight, no time for no extra. Trying to get me stuck in gum, no extra. Already had enough today, I've been fed up.
The show must go on. So next I'm going with the color, it's called Ring Light. And this is a really, really cute shimmery white color. And I'm just putting that in right there. I'm going to blend because that's what I do. See how that pink is just fading in? Yes. And I'm using the Kat Von D tattoo liner.
told you not to. You know from the time I've been around you. I'm not in the mood, I'm not in the mood, nah. Down bad, I've been feeling lately. Hopped in the bag, I've been in it daily. See they mad, no they probably hate me. But it is what it is, don't care if they hate me. Needed time.
You do mess up, how to clean it up. Again, I'm using the medium brown concealer, and I'm just going to put that on the edge where I want to clean it up. Taking the same brush that I used to do my eyebrows, and I'm just making it go downward. So now I'm going in with the Flashback, and it's a white color, and I'm just putting that on the inside of my eye, and I'm kind of just going up a little bit. Put some down at the bottom. Okay, you guys, and now I'm going to be putting on my eyelashes, and these eyelashes are so pretty. Again, you guys know I always get my lashes from Lavish Wink, and I will definitely put the website in my description. I love their lashes. They are so long, so thick, and very noticeable. And then she also has some that are more of like a natural type look, but I definitely do like the big flashy lashes just because I'm doing the makeup tutorial. Also in pictures, I like for my eyelashes to show. So yeah, these are like really great when you guys are trying to go all out. And like I said, if you don't want to go all out, you want the more natural, realistic look, she also has those too. And also I know Halloween is coming up in a couple months or whatever. So she also is coming out with like some Halloween lashes. So yeah, you guys definitely want to go check out her website and see if you find some lashes that you like. And if you do, you know, comment down below, tell me how you like them. And yeah.
Like a stylist, the way that I be styling. Wasting daylight, no time for no extra. Trying to get me stuck in gum, no extra. Already had enough today.
Alright guys, it is time for my full face of makeup. And then we can finish the eyes. I normally just stick to the same foundation, which is the MAC, till it runs out. Y'all, look at my baby hairs. I was really trying. Baby hairs is like literally, sorry, I'm doing my neck, one of the worst things I have trouble with. Like, it is so hard for me to do baby hairs. Why? I don't know. So definitely, like I said, I went to get my eyebrows threaded. So, you know how they always ask, do you want to do your lip too? So I was like, ooh, she must be saying I got a mustache. But I was like, yeah. And my eyes already water when I get my eyebrows threaded. So then she starts doing my lip. Y'all, I couldn't do it. I kept telling her to stop. I was like, ooh, hold on. My eyes, like I literally had tears just flowing like out of my face, like out of my eyes. Like it hurts so bad. Oh, it hurts so freaking bad. And I know she probably thought I was like a crybaby or something. But I was like, shoot, I don't care.
Need for you if I ain't gaining. To the bottom, baby, I don't plan on going back. Making plays, I've been running, but ain't running back.
Now, normally don't go all the way down here. But like I said, I've been watching Taylor Made Jane, and she does that, so I just want to try it just to see how I look.
Called your name, wouldn't even turn around. Now I don't even say your name, you turn around. I'm not in the mood, I'm trying to play it cool. No need for attitude, don't got no time. What you trying to prove?
Alright, so now I'm going to get some of the Derma Blend setting powder and put the setting powder on. This stuff is so messy. Now normally I put on setting powder. I look like an avatar. Now normally I put on setting powder and then I do my eyes. Oh my gosh. But since my eyes are basically almost finished, I guess I will contour my face. Oh, okay. So I definitely am thinking about, well, I definitely need to do like a whole new, studio setup since I moved and everything. So with that being said, if you guys know of any great ideas or know somebody's like page or a certain YouTuber or somebody who, has like a really nice setup, please comment down below and let me know, because I need help. I seriously need help. Okay, where is my big brush? And remember, when we contour, we go backwards. Oh, listen to my baby hair. No, not the baby hair. Now, and for the nose, bringing this up to the eyes and coming down and around. Ooh, I think I might have put too much. Now I am removing setting powder. I'm going to go in with the Skip pink color that we used at the very top, and I'm going to go underneath my eye. Y'all don't realize how excited I am. I have been trying to get a color under my eye that actually shows up. It's been a long time coming, but I knew that this day was gonna come. We'll go in with the pinkity drinkity.
Grinding daily, I can never slow it down. Called your name, wouldn't even turn around. Now I don't even say your name, you turn around. I'm not in the mood.
So I definitely want to go in with the ring light.
What you trying to prove? Keep it to yourself, don't follow through.
And I'm going to use the Pink Wink for my blush, which is right here. And I just did this a minute ago, but I wasn't recording. So I'll put on a little bit more just to show. And for my bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Sunny Honey. Y'all, this stuff smells so good, which is right there. And I'm going to put the bronzer a little bit underneath. And I already put my highlighter on. I don't want to put any more. But again, you guys know it is the Morphe highlighter. And I always put it right in here and then right up here. So let's try it.
I told you not to. You know from the time I've been around you. I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. Nah, to be honest, I don't got no time for this.
It feels really, really soft though. So now I see why they put the brush on there. It's like really soft on your lips. It doesn't feel matte. Ooh, these might be my new favorite little lipsticks, honestly. Because I used to go with MAC for my lipsticks, but they kept making my lips super dry. But this feels perfect. Yeah. Definitely about to be rocking these. And she's back. Oh. If you love this video, be sure to subscribe, and hit the notification button so you are notified whenever I put out a new video. I do a lot of challenges. I do more makeup. I also do hair, like I did right here. You know what I'm saying? I might start doing, what are the U-hauls or the hauls, the clothing hauls? Is it called a U-haul?
Hell no.
What is it called?
A haul.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I said that after. So yeah, I may start doing the haul videos. Bye, loves.